Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to make text, outline, and shadow in Canva. After starting Canva, we can choose a template for creating a design. I will use presentation. Next, we can go to left toolbar. We can find text, select, and then go to add the text box. And we can start to type. For example, I type outline, enter, and enter. Shadow. I want to make it obvious, so I enlarge it, and drag the corner to enlarge it. I press Alt to enlarge it. Now I want to make it bold. To make it obvious, I press Ctrl A to select all the text and then go to select bold. And also I want to make it uppercase. Now we can go to Effects and we can choose Hollow Effect. Now we can change the thickness and the color for the hollow effects. I keep it in black. Now if we go back to effects and choose the shadow, we don't have the hollow effects now. If you want to keep it in hollow effect, we can copy and paste one more layer. I go back first. Now I select the hollow text and copy and paste and put it together. So I use right click and go to layers to select it to show layers. So we have two layers now. I select the bottom layer and go to effects and go to upper. We can choose shadow. Now we can adjust the shadow setting and we can move it. We can change the direction. We can make it blur and we can change the transparency and the shadow color. If we want to change the text color, we can go to text color and change it. We can customize the color, something like this. So this is how we can add text, outline, and shadow together in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe to this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.